The Fair Value Gap Sessions indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to learn how the indicator works. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag the file onto the indicator chart. Just make sure to activate the Allow Dealers to Sell this port option in the Common section, and then click the Confirm button. By dragging the indicator on the chart, it starts to draw the high and low ranges of each trading session on the chart and seeks to identify FWGs in each trading session. For example, here it identified the high and low of the London session for us and identified an WG in the London session for us and drew it after the FWG failed. The one that had the green color for us was a Saudi EOI, and after the green color breaks, the color turns to a pale green color and is identified as the EOI range. When the price returns to this range, we can use it as a resistance range, and after that we see that the price has made its decline. Or in the Tokyo session range, where the price has moved upwards and an effigy has been identified for us, which is a Saudi effigy and is drawn in the color of the Sabbath. After the price returns to this range, we may see a price reaction and upward movement within this range. In other sectors, a new wave of influence, for example in the New York session, a new wave of influence has been identified for us, and with the price's return, we see that it has reacted to it once, twice, and 3 times, and after this time is confirmed. The Fibonacci limit has broken downwards, and while the Fibonacci Nozzoli was drawn for us, it was drawn in a bright color. And after it breaks, and the price moves upwards, the Fibonacci Nozzoli limit changes to a pale color in the settings section, in the input section. There are options for us in the first part of the display settings. The indicator's specific theme or template has 3 modes: dark theme, light theme, and auto. By selecting the dark theme mode, a dark template is applied to the chart. By selecting the light theme option, a light template is applied to the chart, the template that is displayed on the chart. It is placed, and by selecting the auto option, only the color of the candles changes, and the profitable candles change to bright green, and the bearish candles change to bright red. The next section is related to market time, where you can enable or disable the display or not display of each session, where you can disable or enable the Tokyo market time status. You can enable or disable the display of the London market. And finally, you can enable or disable the New York section. The next section is to set the size of the effigy, whether to have a filter for the effigy, and its size. By enabling this mode in the next section, you can set the maximum size of the image in this section, which is drawn in points for us, which is the default for the 10-point mode, and you can increase or decrease this value. The last section is related to backtesting settings, which is important to ensure that the backtest time aligns with GMT and the sessions. In this section, you can adjust the time difference in seconds with GMT. Here, I will select the dark template and deactivate the Tokyo and London sessions, and then click Confirm. So here, only the New York session is displayed for me, along with the first FWG identified in the New York session, which is a bearish FWG. As you can see, my template has also changed to a dark color, indicating the bearish FWG in the New York session. This indicator is especially useful for session traders and ICT style traders, as they can easily identify FGR based on trading sessions and perform their own analysis on the chart. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.